Emergency grounding technique. Hi there, I'm Recovery Mum and I'm here with you right now. If you've clicked on this video, something's probably feeling pretty overwhelming in your family's recovery journey. Maybe there's been a crisis, or you're just feeling that familiar weight of worry about your loved one. I get it, and I want you to know that what you're feeling makes complete sense. We're going to do something together that's going to help ground you back into this moment, right here, right now. It's called the 5-4-3-2-1 technique, and it works by using your 5 senses to pull you out of that spiral of worry and back into your body. You don't need to be perfect at this. There's no wrong way to do it. Just follow along with me and do whatever feels comfortable. First, I want you to just notice where you are right now. Look around your space. You're safe here in this moment. Whatever's happening with your loved one's recovery right now in this space, you're okay. Take one breath with me. Just breathe in naturally and breathe out. Good. Now we're going to use your senses to anchor you here. This helps because when we're anxious about recovery, about relapses, about treatment, about family stress, our minds go into that what if spiral. But your senses can only experience what's happening right now. Let's start with sight. Look around and find 5 things you can see. Just look around your space and mentally note 5 things. Maybe it's a wall, a chair, your hands, a window, something on a table. Take your time with this. Really look at these things. Notice their colours, their shapes. You're doing great. Now 4 things you can touch. Actually reach out and touch 4 different things. Maybe the fabric of your clothes, the surface you're sitting on, your hair, a nearby wall. Feel the textures. Is it smooth, rough, warm, cool? This is your body, here and now, separate from all the recovery stress. 3 things you can hear. Listen for 3 sounds around you. Maybe it's my voice, maybe there's traffic outside, or a fan running, or your own breathing. Just listen without judging the sounds. They're anchoring you to this moment, not yesterday's problems or tomorrow's fears. 2 things you can smell. This one might be trickier. See if you can notice any scents around you. Coffee, soap, fresh air, anything at all. If you can't smell anything distinct, that's totally fine. The fact that you're trying is what matters. And 1 thing you can taste. Maybe it's gum, coffee, toothpaste, or just the taste in your mouth right now. You just did it. You used all 5 senses to bring yourself back to this present moment, away from the worry about your family's recovery. Take a moment to notice how you feel now. Your breathing might be calmer. Your body might feel more settled. Your thoughts about your loved one might feel a little less overwhelming. This technique is always available to you when you're worried about relapse, when treatment feels too slow, when family meetings are stressful, when it all just feels like too much. And you can teach it to your loved one too. It belongs to your whole family. Remember, recovery is a family journey. And taking care of yourself isn't selfish, it's necessary. You matter in this journey too. Find more family recovery support at familyrecoverymum.com. I hope this helped. Remember, I'm sharing what worked for our family as a recovery parent. For serious concerns or crisis situations, please reach out to professionals. Take care of yourself.